turning out to be a fairly lackluster session for the benchmark indices ahead of the winter session of Parliament. So it's 18,485 on the Sensex, and for the Nifty 256.19. And we've seen this trend pan out for the past many days, where we've been confined to a fairly tight range. And of course, it's perhaps the session of the Parliament that's going to determine the direction of the markets. But the Bank Nifty aiding quite a bit, higher by 0.5% as we speak. Even Stephen, when it comes to the market breadth and broader markets, also not doing a whole lot. Let's point out then some of the top gainers in today's session. You've got banks clearly leading the way as pointed out. So an Axis Bank tops the list there. SBI also looking pretty firm on your screen. Asian Paints is holding up from the start of the session. You've got an Infosys also, which is at 23.70 on last tick. GAIL India, L&T, Ambuja Cements as well as Punjab National Bank up on your screen. But let's also take note then of some flashes which are coming in on your screen. LIC has sold a 2% stake that they hold in Maruti Suzuki, which would mean that from an earlier 12.8%, LIC stake has now come down to 10.8%. The stock of Maruti not really reacting to that news, off by 0.3% as we speak at 14.97. Apart from that, let's talk about some of the other movers. You've got Bharti Airtel, NTPC as well as ACC, which are holding up fairly firmly. Tata Steel and Rail Infra also aiding the move on the upside. What's not holding up though, Ultratech Cement as well as the Sun Pharmaceuticals, IDFC, Tata Motors and Tata Power looking a bit weak. And take a look at Reliance Industries, 765 on last tick.
Right, a quick check on the rupee as well, which is trading stronger in the markets today. It is higher than the level at which it closed yesterday, which was about 55.10 to the dollar. So trading at about just below the 55 mark. But there you have it. It's slipped further as we speak. It's dropped to 55.20. So it is a lot below yesterday's closing levels. It's given up those gains that it made a short while ago.